Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back in my another video. Pankaj here. So today we will explain the Power Automate. Okay. So what is the Power Automate and how it's work? So we will explain. Okay. So basically, what happened? Power Automate is basically it's clear with the name Automate. Okay. So he doing only automate your work. If you are doing daily work regularly manually, so we can manage your manual work with the Power Automate by automatic. Okay, so you can doing your work automatic via Power Automate. So let me explain with one simple and example. So this is my list, and this is I'm in accounts team. Okay, so whenever I update any status, so automatically my management team receive the mail. So how this is possible with Power Automate? Otherwise, if you update, what is the manual work in this? Okay, so if I'm update the overdue status as a receive, okay, so I need to update my manager that this payment is received. Okay, and what will the Power Automate doing? The Power Automate automatically send the mail to manager. Okay, that this payment we have received. So I'm already created the Power Automate, and let me check. So I'm click on the edit, and here I'm updated the received. Okay, now the manual work I don't need to update to my manager. Okay, so manager now Power Automate are doing the Power Automate automatically send the mail to my manager. This payment is received. I think it's taking time to loading. Let me refresh the list. Now it's updated, and let me refresh my list. Now it's showing the updated, the received one. Now my manager automatic received the mail. This payment status is updated as a received. So basically I don't need to send any mail to my manager. This work will be automatically by Power Automate. So let me check the mail. I have received the mail, and here is the mail. Now you can check I am updated the status of payment as you received of the client name dial for IT. Okay, so here you can view the invoice number 245. I am updated it, and here is invoice number 245. So here is showing the amount as you received, and this is we creating the template using the Power Automate. Okay, so you can download the old template from the description. I already put the link. I'm already created the template. Okay, so this work done by Power Automate. So our manual work doing by Power Automate, so we don't need to do any work manually. So we can schedule our manual work by Power Automate by Power Automate. Basically, if you create any list, okay, in Excel, SharePoint list, and SQL, and another backend data source. Okay, so you created a Excel sheet, and you want this sheet automatically every evening automatically sent to my manager. So this is possible with the Power Automate. Okay, so basically Power Automate is Microsoft tool, and where our automation is possible. So here is a few templates you can check here. You can create using automation using these template. Okay, also, and so related to Power Automate, if you need any help, please let me know. So thank you so much in this video.